video we are going to discuss about the types of management information systems. So here you can see of the four major categories of management information systems. First one is hierarchical information system, second one functional information system, and third one enterprise information system, and fourth one is general support information system. So the first one, hierarchical information system, we will discuss. Okay, so in this hierarchical information system, so we basically talk about how the information flows in the organization, whether it is low to top or top to low. So in this category again we have four major types. First one is transaction information system, second one management information system, third one decision support system, and the fourth one is executive support system. Let's come to the first one, that is transaction information system. So generally in this type of information system, first we'll collect entire information related to the business transactions, and after collecting those information we will store that information in a database or at a particular location, and after that we'll go for additions and deletions of the data. Which you need you can keep, and which you don't need you can remove that data. That is the modification part. And once you done with collection of information, storing of information and modification of information, next we will go for retrieval. It means, so what the information is necessary for the organization, that we will keep aside, that is the data retrieval part. And all these four activities which combines the transactions related to the organization, means whatever the organization transactions will be there, that transactions data you are going to collect, store, modify and retrieve. So entire these functions carried out in a single system. That single system here we are calling it as transaction information system. So simply the first one is done. The second one, management information system. So management information system is completely about studying of people, organization and the persons who are associated with the organization or business. The management information system is the study of people, technology, organization and the relationships among them. It means here people are nothing but the employees, and technology is nothing but the various domains and technological advancements that you are using for the organization's sake. And organizations in the sense, so different types of organizations will be there. What type of organizations that you belongs to, that you can see in the organization perspective, and the relationship between people, technology and organization is also information system. So when you are studying about all these, it is collectively called as management information system. And next one, that is decision support system. So it is purely a computerized system which gathers and analyzes the data, synthesizing into produce comprehensive information reports. So generally on what basis we are going to take a decision? Based on reports, based on facts, based on figures. So in order to generate those reports, those facts and those figures, you require some information system. So such information system here is nothing but decision support system. So what is the activity or what is the role of decision support system in the organization? In the sense, it gathers the information and it analyzes that information and it also interprets that information, because these decision support systems will helpful for the top level people in making decisions. So that's why they will use the decision support system as their assistants to make their decisions effective. And the last one is executive support system. So executive support system is a system that facilitates and supports senior executive information and decision making needs. Suppose I am a manager. I had made a decision. So in order to hire 10 more employees to make the project to be completed in a stipulated time. So this is my decision. So in order to support my decision, so I have to provide enough information to the top level executives that why I require 10 more people in order to get the work done in the stipulated time. So in order to go for such decisions, we will go for using of executive support system. Means whatever the decisions that are taken in the decision support system that are supported and that are interpreted in the ESS, that is executive support system. It provides easy access to internal and external information relevant to the organization goals. It means it influences both internal and external factors that are related to the organization. So whenever they are taking a decision related to the organization, not only they consider the internal factors that influence that decision, but also they consider the external factors that supports their decision. Okay, so this is about the complete hierarchical information system is about. So in hierarchical information system, we have four major subtypes. They are transaction information system, management information system, decision support system and executive support system. So now we will move to the second type, that is functional information system. So in this functional information system also we have four major categories. The first one is financial information system. It means so completely financial information talks about the financial aspects of the business. So what are those financial aspects? What are those financial activities that are important for the organization in the sense? Financial planning means how much amount is required for this activity and how much amount is required for this activity. So in order to go for such a planning, so we require FIS, that is financial information system. Second one, budgeting means allocation of funds. And third one, cost accounting. So how much we are spending, how much effectively we are using. In order to calculate all those also we require the FIS. And next one is payroll. It means how much salaries we are giving to each and every employee. In order to go for such criteria also we require the FIS. And in case of account receivables and account payable, it means what are the debit amount that we have to give and what is the credit amount and receivables and payables. So all those are included in case of financial information system. And coming to the second one, that is production IS. It is nothing but production information system. Okay. So in case of production information system, the first major activity is production planning and control. It means, let's say I have to manufacture 1000 products today. So in order to produce 1000 products, so what is the raw material that I require and what are the necessary infrastructure that I have to maintain and what are the requirements that I have to be made. So all such planning comes under the production planning and control. So that is the first activity you have to done in PIS, that is nothing but production information system. And next one is engineering standards. So engineering standards is nothing but reliability, dimensions, specifications. So all those should be set earlier before going for the production. So in order to get that engineering standards, suppose if you take this mic, so this length, width, dimensions, diameters, or color, all those are the standards that should be maintained by the organization. So these engineering standards are also part of the information system that we use in this case, that is production information system. That is the second activity, engineering standards. Third one is quality control. It means providing good and quality products to the customers with minimum price. That is also one more criteria you can add up in the production information system. And the last one is R&D. That's nothing but research and development. It means what are the further advancements and further additions that you can make to your product. All those are part of production information system. So this is about the financial information system and production information system. And the third one, that is marketing information system. So in this, the marketing information system generally provides all these facilities. Sales order. It means suppose let's take I am running an organization. So I am providing 10 number of products. Okay. So one dealer is there or one wholesaler is there. So he wants each product 100 number in quantity. So in such case, he will raise an order by using EDI. It's nothing but electronic data interchange. So where you can receive and send the mails between two persons. So through using, you can arise the sales orders also. Means for this product I require this much of quantity within this time. So like that you can prepare a sale order and you can send it to your customers, and you can send it to your suppliers also. And next one is forecasting. Suppose for this time the sales of this product is 10,000. So what is the sales worth of these products will be in the next 2 months or next 1 month. Such a forecasting mechanism is also possible by using the marketing information system. And next one is sales analysis, means trend analysis. So whether it is going up or down. So that also you can analyze by using the marketing information system. And billing. So in small hypermarts and supermarkets, you can see how the billing mechanism will go on. So they use some barcode and they will scan that barcode. By scanning the barcode, they will get all the details of the product on the screen and price also. So like that they will scan complete products that you bought out at the billings desk. So after scanning all the products that you bought to the desk, they will finally go for total amount. So by seeing the total amount, you will go for payment. So such billing purpose mechanism will also be fulfilled by using the management information system. And next one is distribution. So if you want to allocate and if you want to distribute your products to various members, wholesalers, retailers, customers, so that is also possible by using the management information systems. And next one is stock availability. It means, so in hypermarts or small supermarkets, they want to check by the end of the day, if they want to check, so each and every product how much of quantity is left and how much of quantity they sold out. So in order to get all those details, simply they can use the marketing information system. And pricing, so how much price we can kept and how much discount we can give on this particular product. So all these can be done on the marketing information systems. And the last one is product production. It means if you want to produce more and more number of products, so that also analyzed by using all these sales order based on forecasting, based on sales analysis, you can go for more production of a particular product. So all these are activities which are part of marketing information system. Next one, material information system. So, and this, it is completely about the raw material. It means if you want to go for production, how much of raw material that is required, so how much of quantity required, and what are the different raw materials that are required for the production. All those are planned in the first stage, that is materials planning. Second one, bills of materials. Suppose, let's say 3 types of materials are there, for suppose A, B, C. Okay, so I had ordered for A material, and I ordered for B material, and I ordered for C material also. Okay, so let's say A material I ordered for 1000 quantity, B material I ordered for 500 quantity, and C material I ordered for 1500 quantity. So when quantity differs, price will also differs and the total amount will also differs. So each product, how much quantity I ordered and how much price it cost about. So all those are estimated and finally the bill is prepared by using the materials information system. And next one, cost estimates, means what is your total manufacturing cost and how much of margin that you have to keep and how much you can negotiate. All those things are also you can set up in materials information system. And last one, that is warehouse planning, means warehouse is nothing but the place where you can store all your inventory, all your products and all your entire stock. So that warehouse also you can plan by using the materials information system, means where I can keep the products. That location is called as warehouse. So these are the main 4 types of functional information systems. First one is financial information system. Second one, that is production information system. Third one, that is marketing information system. Fourth one, that is material information system. Coming to the fifth one, that is human resource information system. So in this you have majorly 5 functions. Recruitment, it means inviting applications from the eligible job applicants. Selection, so selecting the right person for the right job at the right time. And next one, that is development. Development is nothing but providing some training to the on the job employees. And so this development programs are generally provided to the manager level people. And next one is evaluation. So evaluation completely talks about the job evaluation, means you are getting a required amount for your work or not. It's nothing but job evaluation is nothing but evaluating the real worth of the job. It means whatever the work that you are doing, particular appropriate wage or salary that you are getting or not is analyzed by using job analysis. And the last one is retirement. So retirement is completely, so as per the government rules, so after 60 the particular individual have to retire from his job duties or responsibilities related to the professional life. So that comes under the retirement. So these are all done by using the HRIS, that is human resource information system. So in this case of retirement, generally the organizations follow a manual or a handbook in order to set up the criteria or eligibility criteria to go for requirement, recruitment, selection, job evaluation and development part. So for all these activities, the organization will maintain a handbook in order to set up some instructions and the eligibility criteria for the candidates to go on all through this. Okay, so this is about the functional information system. Next we will go for enterprise information system. So in enterprise information system we have 4 major categories: enterprise resource planning, supply chain management, customer relationship management and business intelligence. So ERP, that's nothing but enterprise resource planning, is also a software that organizes generally the day-to-day activities of a business. It means, so whatever the production planning is there, risk management is there, project management is there, accounting is there, and procurement of raw materials, supply chain operations, all those activities which are monitored from day to day, that's nothing but ERP, enterprise resource planning. For all these activities we require a software that here we are calling it as enterprise resource planning. So in this we have different modules also in ERP, but up to now just we are discussing what exactly the ERP is about. And next one is supply chain management. So supply chain management is nothing but how the product or goods are moving from one place to another place and how they can be tracked and what are the finances that you are getting related to a particular product or service, and so how you are procuring the raw materials, and how you are delivering your products and services to your customers. All these are the part of supply chain management. Coming to the next one, that is customer relationship management. So it is purely how you are maintaining communication or relationship with your customers. So in order to maintain communication with your customers, first you have to get feedback of your customers related to your products and services that you are offering. So when that feedback is given, so you can know and you can interact with your customers in a better manner. So for such feedback scenario and survey purpose, we use the customer relationship management here. So it is also a technology and software which is used for managing all your company's relationships and interactions with your customers and potential customers. And next one is business intelligence. So it's purely, the business intelligence is purely concerned for the executives and managers, because it is a technology driven process which is used for analyzing data and delivering actionable information that helps executives, managers and workers to make informed business decisions. Suppose if you want to take some productive decisions to your business, or profitable decisions to your business, so in order to support the decisions you require some standard information. So that standard information is provided by using the business intelligence, because it is a technology driven process which makes you to go for further advancements in the organization. So these are the 4 categories you can see in case of enterprise systems. And next one is general support system. So in general support system, again we have 4 categories: business expert system, knowledge management system, strategic information system and office support system. So let's come to the first one, that is business expert systems. So this business expert systems are completely based on artificial intelligence. I think all of you know what artificial intelligence is about. It means which is the advanced tool. It means there is no need of human resource. The machine can make many things rather than a human being without the intervention of a human being. So here also in case of expert systems we have 3 main components, that is knowledge base, inference engine and user interface. It means first, in order to go for knowledge base, you require some facts and figures from the system. So after processing that facts and figures, finally you will go for some inferences and interpretations. So that again communicated to the user. Next one, knowledge management systems. So this knowledge management systems completely talks about the dissemination of information. Means how you are passing the informations to your colleagues, to your managers, and how you are passing your knowledge, how you are transferring your knowledge to your colleagues, team members, workers. All that are part of knowledge management systems. You can see the definition here. The knowledge management systems are information systems that are knowledge based and supports the creation, organization and dissemination of knowledge to managers and other employees of the organization. And next one, that is strategic information system. So this strategic information completely applies the information technology tools, products, services and business processes of an organization to help the organizations in order to gain a competitive advantage over its competitors. So normally in this I have to tell you one example. Let's take an example. 2 companies are there, company A and company B. So both companies are providing pens only. Okay, company A is giving a pen to the customer at a cost of 13 rupees and company B is giving that same pen to the customer at a price of 16 rupees. So how much of profit margin is there between the two companies? So first company is providing it with the 13 rupees and second company is providing it with the 16 rupees. But the manufacturing cost of the pen is same to both companies, 10 rupees. But the A company is keeping 3 rupees profit margin and the B company is keeping 6 rupees profit margin. So which company sales are going to high and which company sales are going to down? In the sense, simply company A sales will grow on fast. So if they are maintaining same quality standards, the customers will generally prefer the company A pen only. So in such, that is about the competitive advantage. So whenever you are offering a products to your customers, try to minimize your profit, because if you minimize your profit, you can sustain in the market and you can run in the market for a longer time. So that is about the competitive advantage. That competitive advantage over your competitors can be possible by using strategic information system. It means it will give you the number of ideas and ways that you can improve your business. Next one, office support system. So in office support system, you can find out with two major activities. So generally, if you activities performed by the clerical people and activities performed by the executives. So if you go for the first category, that is activities performed by the clerical people, so any typing is there, taking of printouts and preparing the Word documents, preparing the presentations, all these are done by the clerical people only. And what is the part of executives here? So if they want to generate any reports, so if they want to make any decisions, so and decision making, report generation, thoroughly going through the reports and preparation of documents and rectifying the errors, all these are the activities that are taken care by the executives. So these are the two major tasks that are done in office support system. First one, activities performed by the clerical people and the activities performed by the executives. So this is about types of management information system. So in the general support systems, we had discussed with business expert systems, knowledge management systems, strategic information system, and last one is office support system. So in the next video, we will discuss about database concepts, data resource management, what is the traditional approach to DBMS and what exactly DBMS is about, and DBMS methods like hierarchical model, network model, object oriented model, relational model, entity model, and what are the advantages of DBMS and disadvantages of DBMS, and what are the different languages that we have. It's nothing but data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language. So all these things we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.